Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
So we'll demonstrate, guys, on a 2016 Ford F-150 where you can expect to find the HUD fuse, also known as the head-up display fuse. That's the one that we'll be demonstrating on. You have two fuse boxes, guys. One is under the hood behind the car battery, and when you open that fuse, guys, you will have all kinds of fuses, relays. This could be Ford specific fuses and relays that could be really expensive, hard to find, or impossible to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some replacements from at a good price and quick shipping, guys. Check it out for your convenience. You need to come on the passenger side and you need to find the interior fuse box, which is located in the footwell. Then you remove that kick panel plastic. You will open a fuse box that will look just like that. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So the fuse, guys, for the head-up display now, you will need to check two fuses specifically. You're going to come towards the bottom, and if you see where it says fuse number 16 and all of a sudden it jumps to fuse number 18, if you look right here, that's actually two fuses, guys. Right here you have fuse number 17 and 18. Fuse number 17 is for the HUD display, for the head-up display. Check that fuse, but you need to replace both of them at the same time. It's one fuse, practically two fuses in one. Then you have another fuse that you need to check, and it's known as fuse number 21. It will be that one here. So this fuse and that fuse here will need to be checked for that specifically.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.